This video will examine how charging your candidates for a training course enrollment is possible and why. Training courses in YouTestMe GetCertified are designed to help create and deliver engaging and practical training. Paying for training courses can ensure that learners are committed and engaged in learning, and may value the knowledge more. To enable training course enrollment payments, you should navigate to the training courses, and in the All Training Courses drop-down menu, you should choose the appropriate training. After the information view is open, you only have to click on the self-enrollment toggle button. To set the price, click the pencil icon, and a pop-up window will appear. Input the price for this specific training course, and choose which currency you would prefer to have it in. Now we can confirm the change and save it. You can edit and delete the price at any time as well. Candidates who try to self-enroll in this training course will be asked to purchase before proceeding from this point on. See our other videos in the top right corner, which may provide you with more useful and related information.